What is going on, YouTube? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's a nice day out. I'm gonna be getting some more content on the truck today. So for like my Christmas present, my dad actually bought me some Kaotic Concepts traction bars for the truck. So that's what we're gonna be installing today. We finally got them back from powder. It took a little while, but it was because we only had like a couple parts to take to powder, which was the traction bars and then like the rear end caps. So they're laying over here though.
Alright, there it is, pow.
Alright guys, so here's the traction bars. We got the chrome face plates inside. They're Kaotic Concepts for the Silverado 1500s. And they actually just came out with a new design, but we had already ordered these. But I think these are still gonna look killer no matter what. So they're gonna just fill up the underneath of the truck and really complete the look. So gonna be throwing these on here soon. Of course, I'll just probably set you all up on a time lapse. And if there's anything that I feel like I need to tell y'all, I'll just hop in. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. So we got that rear end cap on right there. The, I don't know what you call it, the U-bolt cap or whatever. Holds the rear end to the leaf springs. And then we're getting ready to put the bushings in the traction bars and just, you know, mock them up to make sure that they fit. Well, let's see, the bolts that came with them, these bolts came with it, don't even fit all the way through the brackets. Well, this one doesn't even fit in this bracket hole at all. But if you go over here to this other rear end cap, check out how it fits. It's nowhere near long enough. It doesn't even stick out of the other side. So we actually gonna go to Lowe's and get the same size bolts, but just a little bit longer. And they came with enough nuts for them. And then these shorter ones right here are for the mounting. They go into here. So those are for mounting this to the frame, because this is what's actually going to hold the front of the traction bar. So they only sent 8 washers with that. So I guess they only expected you to use 1 washer per bolt, which we're going to use 2. We want 1 on the bottom so it doesn't scratch our powder, and then 1 on the top just so the nut has something to grab on. But we got enough washers for the big bolts. We just got to get, oh, and we didn't get any nuts for these either. So we got to buy 8 nuts for these, 8 more washers, and then some longer bolts. But we're gonna go to Lowe's, pick those up, come back, keep on going. Alright guys, so we are actually wrapping up for the night. It is it's getting a little late, and it is a weekday, tomorrow's a work day, but these things look freaking awesome. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera, but they look so killer. It's awesome. I love them. Kaotic Concepts traction bars. They have nice polished stainless face plates. Also, earlier I said they didn't send us any nuts for the little bolts, but they actually did. We just forgot we had them. But we ended up buying some new ones anyway and just using those. But we got that side finished. We started on this side, we marked the holes, and all we got to do now is drill the holes and actually mount the bar up. But I'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights off and the rock lights and stuff on. Rock lights and wheel lights. Thing is so freaking bright. It's crazy. All the lights. It looks pretty killer, even with the light off, or with the rock lights on it. Somehow, just by chance, one of our rock lights is positioned perfectly just to light up on Kaotic Concepts. But it's a little dark right here in the middle, so we're thinking about adding another rock light somehow up in here. That's the only place I don't really have light, so We're gonna try to get another light added there, but everything else looks good. We just gotta get the other side done and be ready to go. We'll probably finish this up sometime later this week. I'm not sure, I got finals and stuff for school, but as soon as I get that stuff knocked out, it'll be full blast on the truck. And of course, doing side work and stuff like that too, so make a little bit of extra money. So yeah, we'll work on it whenever we get the time, guys. I'm gonna pick the camera back up whenever we get back on this later on in the week. So we'll do a little time warp here. All right, guys, so picking the camera back up. Yesterday, my dad got other traction bar on. I think it was yesterday I was finishing, or it was 2 days ago. I was finishing up my school finals and he put that on for me. So thanks, Dad, for that. And then we had that little dark spot on the traction bars that I was talking about before, and we're trying to mock up a bracket to fix this dark spot. So
yeah, we just made a wooden prototype here for our bracket. Seems to work pretty well. If it works out right when we test it, then we'll have it made out of metal. It mounts to the top of the leaf spring bracket like this. Slide it right in there. It's got 2 bolt holes already up in there, so that should work pretty well. It goes right up in there.
Anyway, guys, got that bracket made up, and like he said, it's just a prototype out of wood. We're gonna get it made out of metal, but that's just gonna kill that dark spot on the traction bar on both sides. 38 rock lights now, and maybe 40 if we do the, you can only buy them in 4, so maybe 40 if I put the other 2 on there somewhere. But traction bars are done. They look freaking killer, and I'm very, very happy with them. Kaotic Concepts traction bars for the Silverado 1500s. Man, they're sharp. Turn the lights on for you guys one more time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to drop a comment down below, ask any questions that you may have. Don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, share them. If you like the truck, if you like the content, and stay tuned for more videos, because we're always going to be putting something out on this truck. We got a lot of stuff planned coming up in the future for it. And also, I am in 5-star, so plenty of shows that I'm going to be going to. That'll be good. See you guys in the next video.